Welcome to Lingo Treat Let's Speak Italian online series.
In today's episode, we will continue our previous lesson about pronouns. Possessive pronouns. These pronouns are used to show the ownership or possession. Before we learn about the pronouns, there is an important topic we must first cover, and that's about articles. Let's go back for a moment and cover it first. Before we begin, be aware that what you are about to learn may sound difficult at first. However, don't worry, it's normal. We are here to help and guide you through all the steps. Make sure to pause or replay the video whenever needed. Let us begin. Articles are those small words used before a noun that allow us to define its gender, masculine, feminine, and number, singular, plural. As you might know, there are two types of articles. Definite articles, regarding nouns of known or quantifiable people, places, or objects, and indefinite articles, regarding nouns of unknown or unquantifiable people, places, or objects. Let's start with the definite articles. In English, we have only one definite article, the. However, in Italian, there are 6 types of definite articles.
Il, lo, la, I, gli, le.
This might sound scary, but don't worry, we will go through all of them step by step. First, let's have a look at the articles, il and e. For singular masculine nouns that start with a consonant letter, we use the article, il. Examples: the book,
Il libro.
the cat.
Il gatto.
Both examples are masculine nouns in the singular form, and both of them start with a consonant letter. Therefore, the article, il, is used and placed before the noun. For plural masculine nouns that start with a consonant, we use the article,
I.
Examples: the books,
I libri.
the cats.
I gatti.
Both examples are masculine nouns in the plural form, and both of them start with a consonant letter. Therefore, the article,
I.
is used and placed before the noun. Now you know that for singular masculine nouns that start with a consonant letter, we use the article,
Il.
and for plural masculine nouns that start with a consonant letter, we use the article,
I.
Let's move on to the next type of articles.
Lo. Gli.
For singular masculine nouns that begin with x, y, c, or with the group gn, pm, s consonant letters, we use the articles, lo. For example, the uncle,
Hello. Lo zio.
the student.
Lo studente.
Both given examples are masculine nouns in the singular form, and both of them start with one of the above-mentioned letters. Therefore, the article, lo, is used and placed before the noun. Now, for plural masculine nouns that begin with x, y, c, or with the group gn, pm, s consonant letters, use the articles.
Gli.
Examples:
Hello.
the uncles,
Gli zii.
the students.
Gli studenti.
Both examples are masculine nouns in the plural form, and both of them start with one of the above-mentioned letters. Therefore, the article,
Gli.
is placed before the noun. Well done. You are doing great. Now you have learned that for singular masculine nouns that start with the consonant letters x, y, c, gn, pm, s, we use the article, lo. And for plural masculine nouns that start with these same consonant letters, we use the article,
Gli.
Now let us continue our lesson. Before we proceed, we would like to assure you that if you have some questions or doubts about what you have learned so far, it's normal. Don't worry, everything will be clear to you once you have completed the lesson and earned more experience. If needed, before proceeding, pause the video and give it another look.
la, le.
For singular feminine nouns, we use the article
La.
Note that the article is chosen without distinction with regard to the noun's first letter. Examples: the woman,
Hello.
La donna.
the house.
La casa.
Both examples are feminine nouns in the singular form. Therefore, the article la is used before the noun. Now, for plural feminine nouns, we use the article
Le.
also in this case without distinction with regard to the noun's first letters. Examples: the women,
Hello.
Le donne.
the houses.
Le case.
Both examples are feminine nouns in the plural form. Therefore, we use the article
Le.
before the noun. Fantastic! You've now mastered all the Italian definite articles. To enhance your understanding, we recommend pausing the video and revisiting each article once more. Attention! Before we finish today's lesson, there is one more important thing you need to learn. For both the masculine and feminine genders, you need to be careful with singular nouns that start with a vowel letter. In this occasion, the article is changed and written with an apostrophe. Examples: the clock,
L'orologio.
the classroom.
L'aula.
Here, both examples, masculine and feminine nouns, start with vowel letters. Therefore the ending vowel letters, O and A, of the articles, are removed and replaced by the apostrophe. The reason for this is that usually in Italian, we don't place two vowel letters near to each other. As we approach the end of today's lesson, we acknowledge that understanding how nouns are categorized as masculine or feminine may have presented some challenges during the explanation. Recognizing this distinction can be initially difficult. Yet, with consistent practice, it will gradually unfold and become more straightforward for you. Now, we'll share a valuable tip to identify the difference between masculine and feminine nouns effortlessly. Yay! In Italian, the general rule is that nouns ending in vowels e, I, o, u are predominantly considered masculine and are consequently paired with articles like
Il, lo,
examples: the book,
il libro.
the boot.
Lo stivale.
As you can see, both examples end with one of the above-mentioned vowel letters. Therefore, we can easily identify them as masculine gender nouns. On the other hand, the majority of nouns concluding with the vowel a in Italian are typically regarded as feminine, and as such, they are appropriately paired with the article la. Examples: the car,
La macchina.
the house.
La casa.
Here, both examples end with the vowel letter a. Therefore, we can easily identify them as feminine gender nouns. With this small hint, we hope to have helped you easily identify the gender of a noun and consequently helped you better understand the Italian definite articles. For more examples, please take your time to view the following chart.
Congratulations, you have made it to the end. Can't wait to see you on our next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.